It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns, and today, Christmas hats. I'm for big crochet. Traditional, beautiful Christmas hat. Here it is again. I like the little reindeer in there. And the big pom-pom on top is also so much fun. Here's the Santa hat with ear flaps. This one is quite elaborate. I like the sort of elf slash Christmas tree vibe that's going on. It's fun and it will certainly keep you warm in winter. And here it is with different color scheme. It's quite difficult to ignore the woman wearing it, isn't it? Big pom-pom on a traditional Santa hat, and here it is in all its glory. How fun is this? It's always a good tradition to have a Santa hat with a big pom-pom. And here's another sort of elf hat. I love stripy things, and stripy hats are no exception. You can make them in any color scheme you want, but I particularly like the way the border is made with the loopy stitch. And this is a different kind of pom-pom. I have no idea how to make that, but if you have a clue, please let me know. Such a cute kid as well. And you can see the hat a little better on this one. Aww. Santa hat works well for Christmas. Here's another one. And another one. And both of them together. Now this is fun. This is a Christmas tree hat, including presents, and the presents are the ear flaps. Let's take a look at how it looks unfolded. You see a big Christmas tree, and here are the little wrapped presents. This is the back. How fun is this? It's so much fun. And this is one of the messy bun hats, Christmas type. I love the stitch that is used with the little popcorn stitch in between, and the fluffy yarn for the border. I think we have some more shots of this. Here it is on the side, and here it is in real life. So fun. So cute. This is fantastic, of course. It's a Santa hat combined with antlers. You can't go wrong with those. These will be a hit. And you will certainly get noticed. That's it for today. I hope to see you again soon for more Christmas in July.